Okay, crew, it's been a minute. I've gotten older, I've gotten wiser, and I want to keep on teaching people. So let's do this thing. Multiplying decimals. Multiplying decimals goes the same as you would think for regular multiplying until we reach an essential step, which is thinking about our decimals. Now, I'm not going to be thinking about shortcuts. I'm going to be thinking about place value. So real quick, multiply standard. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 0 in the ones place, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Add up, 3, 8, 4. Now if you're wondering how I did that so quickly, go ahead and check out my video on the standard algorithm for multiplication. It does work. Now, I want to think about place value. This is 2 and 1/10. I could also say this is 21/10. I could say it that way, because this is 2 wholes and 1/10, or 21/10. They're the same thing. I can also say by the same token, this is 23/10, because this is also 2 and 3/10. You can also check out my video for how to convert those super quickly. Now, if I were to think about this a slightly different way, 21/10 times 23/10. I just did 21 times 23. I know that's 483. I also know that 10 times 10, by multiplying fractions, is going to be 100. So that's 483 hundredths. Now I can think about this two ways. When I divide something by 100, that makes it 2 place values smaller. So everything shifts over 2 places. And the decimal is always here. Becomes 4.83, or 4 and 83 hundredths. Or 483 hundredths, written like that. Now, the other way to think about it is this whole number, 483, needs a hundredths place, so I pop that hundredths place in between the 4 and the 8. Very short way to do it. Now you're probably thinking, oh, isn't there a trick? Well, yes, there is. Hundredths means there are 2 place values, so I need 2 place values. There are 2 place values here, tenths, hundredths, so I need a hundredths place. Similar idea. Similar example. Let's do, I'm going to change this, 14.3 times 0.12, or 12 hundredths. I'll multiply normally. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2. 0 to hold the place. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 1. I don't need to use this 0 because it has no value. Add normally. Now, this was 143 tenths. This was 12 hundredths. 143 times 12 was 1,716 over 1,000, which should be 1.716, because everything moved 3 place values smaller. Final answer is 1.716. There are tenths, hundredths, thousandths, so I need tenths, hundredths, thousandths in my answer as well. Hope that's been helpful.